Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the text font size on your TikTok videos. So here I've already on the TikTok apps and I'm going to start by clicking on the plus icon to create a new TikTok video. And let's say I want to record a video here. Okay, I'm going to just take a photo. And then I'm going to click on the text and write it first. Okay, and if you want to change the font, you can click on the options at the top here. If you want to adjust the size, you can see at the right panel there will be this little circle. If you go up, there will be bigger, and if you go down, it will become smaller. You can click on done, and this is the text now. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.